Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS preparation side. So guys, this is the chapter 6 of GRE Quant section, which is the part 1 of powers and roads. So now we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. Now move on to the content. So our first question is 216 is equal to 2 power x and 3 power y. X and y are integers. So for quantity A we have to find out the x value, and for quantity B we have to find out the y value. So for getting the power, that is x and y, we have to factorize 216, so that we will get the base of 2 power and 3 powers, right? See here, 216 divided by 2, 108, again 108 divided by 2 become 54. Similarly, again divide by 2, 27, then divided by 3, 3, 9, 27, then 3 times 3. 216 become 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So that become 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. So when we compare it with 2x and 3y, after comparison we will get x value 3, y value also 3. Quantity A become 3 value and quantity B also become 3. Both are equivalent, so C is our option. Our next question is, if 9 power 2x plus 5 is equal to 27 power 3x minus 10, then find the x value. So for getting the x value, first we have to make the base same, right? If the base same, then we can equivalent the power, and that will become easy for us to find the x value. See, make it 3 power 2 whole power 2x plus 5 is equal to 3 power 3 3x minus 10. So again 3 power, when we multiply the power, that will become 4x, and 5 2 times become 10. Here also it become 3 power 9x minus 30. So see here, base are equal, that's why we compare the power. 4x plus 10 equal to 9x minus 30. So solve it. 9x minus 4x is equal to 10 plus 30, that will be 5x equal to 40, and x become 8. So our answer choice is third option. Our next question is, which of the following equals square root x, cube root x? Solve this equation first. See, square root means x power 1 by 2, right? And cube root means x power 1 by 3. So when base is same, in multiplication we can add the power, right? So that become x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. That will x power, when we take common 2 3, that will become 6, and here we'll get 3 plus 2. So that equal x power 5 by 6. We have to find out the root form, so make it on root form. X power 5 into 1 by 6, and that will become 6 root of x power 5, and our answer will be option E. Our next question is, if 5 power x plus y is equal to 125 and 3 power x minus 3y is equal to 1 by 9, then y equal to what? So here we have to find out the y value. For that we have to get the equation of x and y. See here, power. So make the bases equal so that we compare the power and get the xy value. So take first equation, 5x power y is equal to 125, and that will be 5 power 3. So base is same, that's why x plus y is equal to 3, first equation. Then from next, 3 power x minus 3y is equal to 1 by 9, and that is 1 by 3 square, and that will be 3 power minus 2. So the equation will be x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. That's our second equation. So we will solve the equation first and second. X plus y is equal to 3 and x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. So now we'll subtract the equation so that we'll eliminate the x value, right? We need to find the y value, that's why we eliminate the x. So after subtracting, that plus become minus and minus become plus, and again that minus become plus. So x is eliminated, we get 4y is equal to 5, and that will be y equal to 5 by 4, and our answer choice will be option last. Next question is, which of the following equals to this equation? So first we will solve this. In numerator, see the minimum value is 2 square, right? So we'll take that common. 2 square, that will become 1 plus 1. Here it will remain 2, and here 2 square. And see on denominator, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, right? So that will become a square minus b square form. So root over 5 whole square minus root over 3 whole square. Here it will become 4 bracket 8 divided by 5 minus 3. 4 into 8 by 2, and that becomes 16 value. Answer will be option D. Our next question is, if fx equal to x square plus 4 and f of 2k is equal to 36, then which of the following is one possible value of k? So equation is given here, we have to find out the k value. Fx equal to x square plus 4. See, then f of 2k given 36. See here, it is a function same. Instead of x, it takes 2k. That's why the equation will be 2k whole square plus 4 is equal to 36. So that will become 4k square equal to 36 minus 4, that is equal to 32. So k square equal to 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8, and k will be root over 8, and that become 2 root 2. So our answer is fourth option. Our next question is, if 5 power k plus 1 equal to 2000, then what is the value of 5k plus 1? See here, there is a lot difference here. It is the power of plus 1, and here it is a separate plus 1. So first we have to find out the 5k value, then we will add that value with 1, and we will find the value, right? So from this equation we will get the 5k. See, 5k plus 1 is equal to 2000. So 5k into 5 is equal to 2000, and 5k is equal to 400. So we get here, then therefore 5k plus 1 become 400 plus 1, that will be 401. Answer option B. Our next question is, for all positive numbers x, delta x is defined as the cube root of x. Here is another sign, is defined as the square root of x. That is, see here, we'll write on equation form, delta x equal to cube root of x, and this x equal to square root of x. So given here this value dash delta k is equal to m square, then we have to find out the k value. So instead of x, here it came k. In that respect we will make the equation. First we will solve the bracket form, given delta x equal to cube root of x. Then that will become cube root of k equal to m square. Then see here, that will make square root of cube root of k is equal to m square. So for removing the square root, we will square on both sides. Then cube root of k will become m power 4. Removing the cube root sign, we will cube on both sides. Then k will become m power 4 whole cube, and that will be m power 12. So our answer is third option. So now what is the greatest prime factor of 2 power 99 minus 2 power 96? So we have to find out the greatest prime factor. So for that, first we will take the common. So on both, the common is 2 power 96, right? We can take common that. So remaining will be 2 power 3 minus 1. And see here, 2 power 96, 2 cube become 8 minus 1, and that will be 2 power 96 into 7. See here, 2 is not a greatest prime factor. Here we will get 7 as a greatest prime factor. So answer will be 7. If 4 power n plus 4 power n plus 4 power n plus 4 power n equal to 4 power 16, then n equal to what? So see here, 4 power n plus 4 power n plus 4 power n plus 4 power n equal to 4 power 16. So here we will take the 4 power n common. We have to find out the n value, right? So 4 power n common, then remaining will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4 power 16. See here, 4 power n into 4. So all add, become 4. 4 power 16 here. Base is same, so power is added on multiplication. 4n plus 1 equal to 4 power 16. So we'll equate the power because base is same in equal form. So that's why n plus 1 equal to 16, and that implies n equal to 15 answer. So our answer is last option. So guys, this is the end of the part 1 of power and root chapter. So we'll continue on the second part of this chapter. So subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the upcoming video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below down, and share this video to your friends and groups. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.